Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss some characteristics of e-commerce. So let's get started. Virtual community. A virtual community is a platform for communication and exchange of experience. It is similar to a virtual club or association. We always should ask who is the owner, who is the person or organization behind the platform, who pays the members or the visitors, the community operator. Information broker. An information broker collects, aggregates, and provides information. For example, information with respect to products, prices, availabilities, or market data, economical data, technical information. Here we have to ask, can we trust the information? Is it neutral or just a product placement? Who pays the visitor? Some providers financed through advertisement, traditional and similar business models, or magazines running tests of computers, cars, consumer goods, restaurants. Now we will discuss transaction broker. A transaction broker is a person or an organization to execute sales transactions. Sometimes those brokers are used to hide the real customer to the supplier. A transaction broker is an agent who is an expert in a specific area and can take over parts of a business. A similar traditional business model is the pre-salesman. Now we will discuss CSP, also termed as online service provider or cloud service provider. So let's get started. An online service provider provides services which can be run electronically. For example, application software services or ICT, infrastructure services like storage or backup services. If this organization uses so-called cloud technologies, it is called a cloud service provider. Tin Hompel et al. 2015, Marx and Lozano 2010. The questions which we have to put are, who pays the service user? If not, who is the customer? This list describes a great variety of internet-based business models. However, it will not be a complete compilation because with new and innovative technologies, new business ideas will come up and lead to new and additional offerings. Now we will discuss advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. E-commerce has a lot of advantages, but as we know it from every area of our life, there is no free lunch. Of course, e-commerce has some disadvantages. There are two tables. Advantages. Advantages are for the customers and for the provider. Now, first we will discuss advantages for the customer. Flexible shopping hours, 7/24 hours. Next one, no waiting queues if net is available and software appropriately designed. Shopping at home, we don't have to leave our apartment, refuel our car, or buy a subway ticket, look for a parking place, etc. Next one, individual needs can be covered if customization is offered. Next one, global offers more competition, pressure on prices. Now for the provider. Better customer services can be offered, fast communication with customer, new customer potential through global visibility, no traditional intermediaries who take away margins. Now we will discuss disadvantage for both the customer and provider. For the customer, security risk, data theft, stealing account or credit card number, identity theft, acting under our name or user identity, abuse. For example, third person order goods with our identity, get them delivered and we have to pay for it. Crime, bogus firm does not really exist. Fraud. For example, order is confirmed, invoice has to be paid, but goods are never delivered. Uncertain legal status. If something goes wrong, can we accuse the provider? Now for the provider. Higher logistic cost. Goods have to be sent to the customer's location. Anonymity of customers. How to make targeted advertisements. Now we will discuss business net types. A more abstract categorization of digital businesses has been given 2001 by Scott, Meyer and Stormer 2008. pp ranging from 34 to 46. He discussed the following business net type. Business with Agora. Objective to run a marketplace for goods and values, attributes, making information available, negotiation processes, established dynamic pricing through negotiation between market participants. Role of the customer market participants. Benefits. Negotiable products and services. Example, eBay, auctions, Yahoo. That is it for today. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye.